Good morning, students. Students, today we will talk about some interesting inventors in lesson number 52 of your book. Question is, try your hand at this interesting quiz on inventors and their inventions. First one, the 1879 Nobel Prize winners for medicine, Sir Godfrey Hounsfield and Ellen Cormack, were neither doctors nor physiologists. For what did they win the prize? They won the prize for inventing the CAT scan. And the full form of CAT is computerized axial tomography. Next one. In an attempt to help himself and his weakening eyesight, who created the first pair of bifocal glasses? इसमें तुम्हें उस इन्वेंटर का नाम बताना है जिसने अपने वीक आईसाइट को हेल्प करने के लिए बाइफोकल ग्लासेस इन्वेंट किए थे. एंड द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज बेंजामिन फ्रैंकलिन. ही इज एन अमेरिकन राइटर एंड साइंटिस्ट. नेक्स्ट वन. दिस साइंटिस्ट वाज कॉल्ड टू हेल्प लोकेट and extract the bullet that shot a US president, which led him to invent something. Name the scientist and the invention. And the name of this scientist is Alexander Graham Bell. He is a Scottish scientist and he invented metal detector. And he has also invented telephone. Next one, he worked as a laboratory assistant for the inventor of the safety lamp, Humphrey Davy, and went on to become more famous than his mentor for his work in electromagnetic induction. Name the scientist. The name of the scientist is Michael Faraday. He is an English scientist. Developed by Paul Hawkins, it is a computer system used in sports such as cricket, tennis and football to visually track the trajectory of the ball and display its most likely path as a moving image. Name the invention. Now this invention is Hawk-Eye. It is a camera system which traces the ball during the game. तुमने गेम में देखा होगा क्रिकेट में या किसी और गेम में भी हर गेम में दिखाया जाता है कि जो खेल के साथ साथ जिस तरह से बॉल को फेंका गया है उसको कैमरा जब पिक लेता है उस कैमरे का नाम हॉक-आई है. नेक्स्ट वन. Name the well-known adventurer known for his films about the mysteries of the deep seas, who invented the aqualung, a portable underwater breathing apparatus. Now this person is Jacques Cousteau. He is a French explorer and he was a naval officer and he studied about sea and all forms of life in the sea. Next one, better known as an author. He patented 3 inventions of his own. The most famous being the self-pasting scrapbook. Name the author, inventor. Now this person is Samuel Clemens and he is more popularly known as Mark Twain and he is an American writer. Next one. He studied the circulation of blood and the action of the eye. He studied the effect of the moon on the tides and surmised the nature of fossil shells. He invented a large number of ingenious machines including an underwater diving suit. But most of us do not know of him as a scientist. Who is he? अब इस पर्सन को जो कि एक साइंटिस्ट भी है हम उसको किसी और तरीके से वो ज़्यादा फेमस है एंड दिस पर्सन इज लियोनार्डो डा विंसी. ही इज एन इटालियन पेंटर एंड आर्किटेक्ट. ही इज ऑल्सो अ फेमस फिगर इन Renaissance. Renaissance means rebirth in Europe. And he is popularly known for his painting Last Supper and Mona Lisa. Whereas he has also invented many machines like underwater diving suit. And he is also a scientist. Next we come to the footnote. Apart from being a great inventor, Thomas Alva Edison seemed to have a love for nursery rhymes. The best word that he recorded on his phonograph were, "Mary had a little lamb." Thomas Alva Edison का नाम तुम सबने सुन रखा होगा. He has discovered electric bulb. He has also discovered many other things, and he was fond of nursery rhymes, and he has recorded on his phonograph, "Mary had a little lamb." It shows his love for the poem. Next we come to lesson number 53. This lesson is about time and motion. Now children, we will do the questions given in this lesson. First one. Take the correct answer. Which of these does not show periodic motion? Now the first thing given is a girl swinging. Now in this, the action gets repeated again after a fixed time. अगर एक लड़की झूले पे बैठी हुई है तो वो झूला जो है एक फिक्स टाइम के बाद रिपीट हो रहा है, झूल रहा है झूला. नेक्स्ट वन, बॉब ऑफ द पेंडुलम. तुमने देखा होगा घड़ी का जो बॉब होता है वो भी एक फिक्स टाइम पे वो मूवमेंट करके वापस आ जाता है. थर्ड इज अ मूविंग ट्रेन. एक ट्रेन अगर मूव कर रही है तो वो आगे बढ़ रही है, दोबारा वापस उस जगह पे नहीं आ रही जहां से वो गई थी, बैक नहीं जा रही. तो इट मीन्स अ मूविंग ट्रेन डज नॉट शो पीरियोडिक मोशन. फोर्थ वन इज स्ट्रिंग ऑफ अ गिटार. स्ट्रिंग ऑफ अ गिटार में जो वाइब्रेशन ऑफ स्ट्रिंग है इट ऑल्सो रिपीट्स आफ्टर अ फिक्स टाइम. So the only option which does not show periodic motion is a moving train. First one. Next, if you change the unit of speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second, you will have to multiply with 5 by 18. Now from where we have got this? Now the conversion is from kilometer per hour. Now kilometer has got 1000 meter and hour has got 1 hour has got 3600 seconds. एक मिनट में तुम्हें पता लगा 60 सेकेंड होते हैं, तो एक घंटे में 3600 सेकेंड्स होंगे. और अगर हम इसको अब सॉल्व करें तो क्या आएगा? उसे डिवाइड करें, 5 is 10, 2, 8 is 36. So we have got 5 upon 8, 5 meter on 18 seconds. So 5 by 18 is the correct answer. second. Fourth one, a force that acts on a body moving in a circular path and is directed towards the center around which the body is moving is called a centripetal force. अगर सपोज कोई व्हील चल रही है तो जो फोर्स एक्ट कर रही है टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर दैट इज कॉल्ड सेंट्रीपेटल फोर्स एंड इसका जो ऑपोजिट है वो है सेंट्रीफ्यूगल. सेंट्रीफ्यूगल जो है वो इट वर्क्स आउटसाइड द सेंटर. ये इसका जो वर्किंग का डायरेक्शन है इट एक्ट्स आउटसाइड द सेंटर और सेंट्रीपेटल में इट एक्ट्स टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर. दोनों ऑपोजिट है. सेंट्रीपेटल फोर्स इज द रियल फोर्स एंड द सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स इज द apparent force. Next one, what kind of line does the distance time graph of uniform motion show? यूनिफॉर्म मोशन मतलब एक स्पीड से कोई चीज मूव कर रही है. जैसे सपोज 1 सेकेंड में 2 मीटर कोई बॉडी मूव कर रही है तो 2 सेकेंड में और आगे 2 मीटर चली जाएगी. 3rd सेकेंड में और 2 मीटर वो आगे चली जाएगी. तो इसको अगर हम प्लॉट करते हैं वी गेट अ डायगोनल लाइन. Now in this axis we plot the distance and here in this axis we plot the time. 1 सेकेंड में उसने 2 मीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर किया. 2 सेकेंड में 4 मीटर्स. 3 सेकेंड में 6 मीटर्स और 4 सेकेंड में 8. अब जब हम इसको ज्वाइन करेंगे तो हमें एक डायगोनल बनेगा. ये so if we plot it graphically we get a diagonal. Next one, if you move 50 meters in 10 seconds what is your speed? Now your speed is distance upon time. Now you are moving 50 meters in 10 seconds. So that means you are moving 5 meters per second. Next one, if you move, sorry, not this one. Next 7th question. A car travels 400 meters in 40 seconds. What is the speed of the car? Now again we will adopt the same formula. Speed is equal to distance upon time. 400 meters in 40 seconds. So that means we are moving 10 meters per second. So we have got B as answer 10 meters per second. Which instrument is used to measure the distance travelled by a vehicle? Now the instrument which is used to measure the distance travelled by a vehicle is odometer. B is the option. Now the footnote. Try making a simple pendulum at home. Children, you can try this. You will need a string, a bob and a stand to dispense the pendulum. Use a stopwatch to measure its time period. अब तुम एक पेंडुलम बना के देख सकते हो कि वो उसका मूवमेंट जो है वो कैसे एक सेम टाइम इंटरवल के बाद वो कैसे करता है. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर इज अबाउट इंडियन साइंटिस्ट. Children, here we will study about some Indian scientists. Now the first one, answer these questions using the help box. In the help box, some names of scientists are given. Meghnad Shah, Homi Bhabha, APJ Abdul Kalam, S. Ramanujan, J.C. Bose, C.V. Raman, S.N. Bose and M.S. Swaminathan. First one. Who is known as the chief architect of India's nuclear program? And the name of this scientist is Homi Bhabha. He was professor of physics at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Next one. Who played a leading role in the Green Revolution in India? Now it is M.S. Swaminathan. He is the pioneer of Green Revolution in India. Which former president of India is known as the Missile Man of India? This question, children, all of you know, it is APJ Abdul Kalam. Which scientist won the Nobel Prize in 1930 and the Bharat Ratna in 1954? It is C.V. Raman, Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. And he is known for his work in the field of light scattering. Who invented the cosmograph, an instrument for measuring the growth of a plant? It is J.C. Bose or Jagdish Chandra Bose. He was a biologist, physicist and botanist. He has made significant contribution to plant science and he also did investigations of radio and microwave optics. Sixth one. Which mathematical genius was born in Erode in 1887? Now this mathematical genius is S. Ramanujan. Next one. Albert Einstein along with which scientist described the fundamental particles known as bosons? Now the name of this scientist is S.N. Bose or Satyendra Nath Bose. Next one. Who worked on thermal ionization in stars and laid the foundations for modern astrophysics? The name of this scientist is Meghnad Shah. That's all for today's lesson, children. Do this work and send me your work in time. That is my next Wednesday. Thank you, children.